Melissa and welcome to Teacher Inspiration Station. In today's video, I am finally going to be putting together my teacher toolbox. It arrived from Amazon and I've wanted to do this for years, but I just haven't gotten around to doing it. So I said, let me just do it this year. And yeah, so I'm super excited. Now the toolbox that I got, it's not the one that I really wanted. The one I really wanted, and I'll show you in a sec. The one that I really wanted had 8 big drawers, and this one has 6 big drawers, but it's fine. So you can get these toolboxes anywhere, but I got mine on Amazon. Let me just unbox this for you. I guess I'm just gonna slide it out. Ooh. Okay, so this is it. This is what it looks like. I went with the one with 6 drawers because that's the only one they had, and 20 small drawers. So I'm excited. So on Teachers Pay Teachers, you can find the labels for the drawers, and there are free ones and there's also ones that you pay for. I ended up getting free ones, and I'll link down below where I got it, but I think they're cute. So it's just like a little I guess a chalkboard, maybe not, it's just black. I thought it would match the toolbox. Some people spray paint the toolbox, but I ain't got time for that. Actually, I do have time to do it, but I'm not going to. So yeah, these are cute. And these are the ones for the small drawers. I got these printed out at Staples because my printer's not working, and I asked them to just laminate it as well. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut these out. There's one, now there's only space for 6, so I gotta figure out which one I wanna use. I gotta figure out, yeah, this is the one that I want. Yeah, so I'll show you after what I decided to go with. I really hope they fit. They should fit. All right, I got my first one cut out, sticky notes, and I hope they should fit. Hold on. I really hope it's not going to be a problem, and that they look like they'll fit. That's cute. All right, I'm going to keep cutting. Okay, I'm done. I've cut them all out. Now, I've seen some people, let me lift this up. I've seen some people when they do this, they take double-sided tape and they stick it on the front of the drawer. But I'm not gonna do that because I feel like it can fall off easily and I don't wanna do that. So I'm actually gonna stick mine into the drawer like so. Just, that's not gonna work. Look at what this has. It has a little, I don't know if you guys can see it. It has this little groove thing on the inside. So me slipping it in isn't gonna work. That's a bummer. Aw, well, I guess I'm gonna have to stick it on the front. Now, I wish I had a glue gun. I don't know where my glue gun is.
You don't need a glue gun.
Because I feel better using a glue gun to secure it on rather than the double-sided tape. But we'll do double-sided tape. But the smaller drawers, they don't have that little groove thing on the inside. So for the small ones, at least I can slip the papers on the inside. But for the big ones, I can't do that. Okay, well, whatever. Not gonna let that get me down. So I have my double-sided tape here. I'll do it on the top and the bottom. I think it'll be more secure like that. I feel like this will be fine because the tape I got is permanent tape. So I think it should be fine if I don't pull on it. It should be fine. So that's what I did there. I'll just slip it in like that. Let's see how that looks. All right, that's cute, that works. But I don't want miscellaneous to be at the top. I want miscellaneous to be at the bottom, so. Miscellaneous.
Are you filming a video of me?
There we go. Yeah, I'll have it on the bottom there. All right, I'm gonna keep going. All right, so I got them in the 6 ones in for the big drawers, but they open fine. Like the top one's fine, the bottom one's fine. The second one is fine, but the bottom one doesn't open as easily because my card is a little too long. So what I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to cut a teeny tiny bit because it goes off the, it goes past the drawer a little bit. Now this is, no, they're secure. If you get this tape, the Scotch brand permanent tape, like it's on there. It's not gonna come off unless I pull on it. But I am going to have to cut a teeny tiny bit. I wish I had a cutter, but I don't. So I'm gonna have to carefully cut with my scissors to make it nice and straight. Okay, so I cut it. I'm gonna stick it back on. I still think it's a little long, but let's see if it's better. Yeah, much better. So you see how that bottom drawer now easily opens. So I'm gonna have to do that for this one as well. It doesn't open, but I'm gonna have to just cut a little bit off the bottom. I feel like I should put fresh tape on there, but I'm not gonna do that. If it comes off, I'll just stick it back, but it should be fine. So yeah, now the bottom one opens and closes easily. Lovely. Now for the small drawers, I'm able to slip them in. So I'm just gonna do that for these ones. I'm gonna slip them on the inside. I'm not going to put the cards on the outside. So I think that'll be fine if the big ones are on the outside and the little ones on the inside, just because I prefer that they be on the inside. And I am just gonna stick some double-sided tape just to keep it securely in there. And I don't really have an order to do this. I'm just gonna, I just want the colors to be like random. I don't want them to be all the same colors together, so I'm just gonna make sure it's like that. So that works, look at that. That's cute, you can barely see the tape on the inside. So that says large paper clips, so slip that in there. And I'm just gonna put small paper clips beside it so that they're together. Okay, so I am done now. There it is. And I tried to separate the colors as much as I can, but I didn't really plan it properly when I was typing the labels in. I wasn't really, anyways, it's not perfect, but it'll do. But yeah, I think it's really cute. I really hope that the double-sided tape holds up. If it doesn't, then I will have to use a glue gun, which is fine. I'll just put like a little dab on the corners and I'm good to go. But yeah, that's it. Super, super cute. I like it. If you like this video, you know the drill. Thumb it up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.